Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, March 23rd, 2025, we're diving deep into GBPUSD, analyzing both the latest news and the charts to provide you with actionable trading insights. Recent news indicates GBPUSD has been pressured by a stronger US dollar amid persistent buying pressure. Concerns about a potential trader war and central bank uncertainties are also weighing on the pair. We'll correlate these events with the chart data to understand potential trading strategies. Let's start by looking at the one-day chart for an overview. Looking at the one-day chart, we see a general trend of volatility, with some significant swings throughout the past year. Notice the period around late September to early November 2024, where GBPUSD experienced a downtrend, followed by a sharp rally. Currently, we are seeing more recent volatility in March of 2025, indicating market indecision. Zooming into the most recent price action on the one-day chart, we observe the recent decline influenced by the US dollar strength. The key level to watch in the short term is the 1.2900 level. A break below this could signal further downside. On the other hand, recovering above 1.2950 could alleviate some bearish pressure. Now, let's switch to the one-hour chart to get a closer look at intraday price movements. This chart shows a more detailed view of the recent price fluctuations. On the one-hour chart, we see the recent bearish trend is evident, with lower highs and lower lows. We might expect this trend to continue to persist. Specifically, between March 19th and 21st, we can see more clearly how it has decreased. If it goes much lower, to around 1.2880, that is where there will be much more resistance. Given the current market sentiment and the news regarding trade war fears, a continued short-term bearish outlook seems probable, perhaps at 60% chance. To get an even finer-grained view, let's examine the 15-minute chart from March 18th to March 20th. This time frame is useful for identifying potential entry points for shorter-term trades. The 15-minute chart reveals choppy price action, typical of a market grappling with uncertainty. We saw resistance at 1.3000 and a drop to 1.2930. Watch for breakouts from these consolidations to signal potential trading opportunities. For short-term traders, keep an eye on the 1.2920 level as a potential support. In summary, key price levels for GBPUSD are 1.2900, 1.2950, and 1.3000. Continued USD strength will likely keep GBPUSD under pressure. Monitor upcoming economic data releases for potential catalysts.